Think your RV's biggest problem is uncomfortable seats? Wrong. It's the tiny hatch you ignored for years. A bad hatch causes leaks, access headaches, and lost gear. Here's how to choose a perfect RV access hatch. First, size matters. Measure compartments, not guesses. Trust. Round, rectangular, or low profile. Pick based on space. Material choice beats aesthetics. Choose UV-stable, corrosion-resistant ABS. Gaskets and seals keep rain, road grime, and moisture out. Prefer locking panels for security. Keyed tamper-proof options. Screw mount or flush mount. Installation affects watertight reliability long-term. Use corrosion-resistant screws for marine strength holding power and durability. Integrated hinges and reinforced lids prevent flex and failures. Low-profile hatches save space and look factory-installed cleanly. Twist-lock caps and gasketed seals guarantee waterproof confidence. Need shore power or cable pass-through? Choose inlet hatches. Central vac inlets simplify cleaning. Check sizing for hoses. Pre-drilled flanges speed installation. Reduce cutting and measuring. Contractors love keyed locks and pre-drilled ready-to-install panels. Boat, RV, or camper builders, choose UV-resistant for longevity. Inspect behind the hatch. Plan cable routing and ventilation. Simple bead of sealant prevents leaks without complicated mods. Test under pressure. Fill hose, check for seepage points. Maintenance: wipe seals, retorque screws, replace worn gaskets. Match color and profile for a discreet integrated finish. Imagine quick storage access at midnight. Effortless, silent hatch. Professionally designed hatches save time, money, and future headaches. Choose with purpose: size, durable material, and proper install. Featured picks include locking, low-profile twist lock, and inlet options. Upgrade today, protect gear, prevent leaks, and simplify life. Click the link in the description and pick your perfect hatch. Hit the road confidently.